Kong Hey Patchoy, welcome to Golden Prince Hotel. Hey guys. Ay, abot ay Cebu.
Even not when I encounter.
Happy Chinese New Year, Ma'am Chi. Are you president sa Cebu Wrestling Park? Hello?
Kung Shipakay.
Kung Shipakay, Kong Hey Patchoy. Sa mga tagbuhol diya, namin sa Cebu.
Yeah.
Abangan niyo si Ma'am Chin dyan.
Thank you so much.
Primary Home, shout out.
Yes.
Primary Homes, Bohol, hello. Kong Hey Patchoy, Sir Peter. Pit Senyor, Sereb. Kailan na kita balik karon for the 2025. More sales sana.
Yes.
And then,
Momentous occasion, I now call this meeting to order.
Okay, thank you very much for our in-hour APP operating by VIS.
Here's our meeting for the National Parade, that's the Philippine Association.
Oh.
birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
So, inilisod ko kayo ni akong topic kay we talk on legal matters on an afternoon. Festive pa kayo mga naong karon na legal concerns sa itong istoryahan. But anyway, the Mama Hyacinth called me to talk about latest updates regarding the real property laws. Ako yung wala man kayo updates. Review, it was held. Successional right which by operation of law is transmitted to the heirs upon the death of the registered owner cannot be the subject of adverse claim. Claim of an illegitimate child or a compulsory heir against the property of their deceased father is not adverse to the interest of the registered owner. Ako lang ibasa ang principle, I'll explain yung taron. Considering that by operation of law, petitioner becomes one of the owners of the property upon the death of the registered owner, thus it would be tantamount to adverse claim on his own property. Diba? If you go back to your real estate succession law, your right as an heir or ownership of over the property takes effect upon the time of death. There is separate from the corporation. The corporation decides through the board. Kung majority of the board would decide na ibaligya ang property, then that is the action of the corporation. Di ka kaingon nga, di ko mabaligya, kaya nako share, na di makabaligya ang corporation. Okay? Unless kung gusto nyo ka, paniguro diha na ikaw ang majority share. Pero listen pa sa kayo, ngayon ka mag-majority share ka sa Miguel, pila kayo may put up ka na, no? So di ka pwede mingon nga, di ko musukap eh, baligya ang planta sa San Miguel sa Bulacan, kay na ko share, anak. Diba? Okay? File og adverse claim. Ingon na yan nga, attorney, i-file na mong adverse claim, kaya ang among mama at papa, ilan, ipapirma lang, wa sila kasabot sa dokumento. That's the common probinsya. It is allegation of fraud, ilan. Gifalsify ang dokumento, gipirma-pirmahan. The Registry of Deeds, we are not a judicial body. Oh. We cannot decide whether the document has been forged or not. Because that authority is vested only sa court. Legal possession. Contract to sell pa gani, naniguro, i-adverse claim. Ba? Sobrang paniguro ba? Maniguro masad kay ang consideration 100 million, ya 3 years to pay, nakabayad ng 50 million. Nya, iaging adverse claim. Ganong iaging mag-adverse claim? Sige, Bek. May mga broker, marot kaya ni. Ganong iaging mag-adverse claim? Annotate ang contract to sell. That's your remedy. Not an adverse claim. Pero, ang ruling magod sa BIR, once consideration has exceed 25%, mahirap naman mo tanan si GT. So, ato na naginod si broker, ipa-adverse claim na lang. Handlok mo bayad. That's form of statutory provisions. Pwede na i-con grounds for adverse claim. Okay? Inadvertently cancelled adverse claim. Okay, decision. Adverse claim annotated on a title was inadvertently cancelled and was not carried over. The ruling is this cannot be annotated again without the prior court order. So kana siya, bantayanan yun ang inyo. That he inherited from his mother the rights over the subject properties, including the right to file an adverse claim, is self-serving allegation which is not substantiated by proof. Balik na sa principle of privity of interest. Katulad yung kuhaan sa contracts, may makafile sa adverse claim. But does that mean na namatay ang imong right? Ang right sa imong namatay nga mother? No. But you cannot just use the adverse claim. You go to filing of the proper case in court. Usa kay suod dapat i-offer sa usa kay suod. Diba? Common man na. So karon, siguro ni usa kay suod kay tan-aw niya, palahubog na rin ako usa kay suod. Utrot siya kwartas katuig pa ni baligya ko niya share ba? So kaya na kada ang adverse claim is not allowed. That is not allowed. Because you are not attacking the ownership. Diba? Remember? An adverse claim should be a direct attack on the ownership of the property. For an adverse claim, it appears that the basis of the supposed adverse claim was the alleged failure of the registered owner to execute a deed of sale over the property to cover his purported indebtedness to the petitioner. Kasi usual case, ani. Si broker nagpa-adverse claim na kay siya dahil ang nagpasukod sa utang. So, naako na yung utang si registered owner. That debt is considered as a money claim. So, that cannot be challenging the attorney's deed. Yeah, the memorandum of agreement, but not as an adverse claim. Wills, levies on execution, administration of estate, then proceedings in which the only subject is the recovery of a money judgment. Proceedings in which the only object is the recovery of a money judgment. Mana siya. So, di niya po siya qualify under lispendence. Notice of lispendence denied on a pending case with the office of the President. Lispendence may be annotated only when there is an action or proceedings in court. So, only actions before judicial body ang pwede malispendence. Okay? Lispendence does not apply in criminal cases or consulta. So, di po na siya pwede. Is being notified by the registration thereof. Additional
By the Golden Prince Hotel, Asia Street, Cebu City, signed by yours truly and our first VP, Attorney Catherine Hermoso. Thank you so much. A big hand to Attorney Conrad.
Yes.
Thank
you very much, Attorney.
Yes, our guest speaker this afternoon, Attorney Ariel Condat of the RODC from His Manchin, our President. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. Informative, Attorney. It's senior, meet again, ma'am, after pila ka months. Kaya last gamit? 1 year na, no? Yeah, Manila pa, 1 year na, almost. Yes, our guest speaker This afternoon, Attorney Ariel Condat of the RODC Province Manchin, our President. Thank you very
Thank you.
informative, Attorney.
Acquired the license to sell and the site development permit. Our other department or the design team is just finalizing details of this project, like how many towers to build, how many floors, how many units per floor, what are the different type of units, because this is a very brand new. This is a brand new concept from Primary Homes. This is our first township development.
Wow.
This one is located in Barangay Subat, Basbas, Marigondon, Lapu-Lapu City.
Nice.
So those who would like a sea view, they can definitely have a view of the sea. Or those who would like sea breeze, they would enjoy sea breeze. The concept of the building,
Cookie. Kung sa gimas akong fortune cookie. So ang gimas akong fortune cookie is food for thought. Something to think about. Our first and last love is self-love. Then we have Bisaya Filams who just want to, invest here, or they want to retire here, and of course we have the expats. Architectural and engineering design, H1 architecture for the building facade, Ascension Beringer for the hotel units and common areas. We have Hirsch Bender and Associates for the residential design inspiration, and we have C-Square for the structural design.
It is home to more than 11,000 industrial and commercial locators, making it the Philippines' Little Rich City. The Tale Suites is approximately just a short 1.6 kilometers away from two business parks, Cebu Business Park and Gatewalk Central. Latin for life-giving.
Our event to Parag Serek. Awarded is 30
Officers and members and your sponsoring brokers, I express to you our pleasure and
So, for the pinning of Sarah Pin, we'd like to call on Miss Emily Cabuliana.
Hi, ma'am.
at ay natuwa mga new members, ha?
Hi, our new national president, Ma'am Tita.
Senyor!
Yes, hey guys, welcome to Cebu City from Cotabato po.
Thank you, Cebu.
Yes. For the paralegal something, no? Seminar.